Well, welcome to a new Upbuild video, and so in this episode we're going to be carrying on work on our Classic Mini Mk1 Conversion. So first of all we're going to finish off taking the cant rails out, but my dad's grabbed me cellar drink.
We're starting a bit later in the day.
Start at the end of the day.
First.
End of the day instead of the start of the day. There we go. Anyway, like I say, we're going to continue working on our cant rails. Got the ones to cut out on the other side, which it'll be a lot quicker because this time obviously we know what we're doing. But
But we've got another
good idea.
good idea. How we're making a bar of the old shell.
There's an idea. Anyway, enough of that. Let's crack on.
Brilliant.
Well, flipping fantastic. There we go, 2 cant rails, as you can see, all cut out the Mark II shell. The reason why I've gone all that effort of cutting them out, this shell, or finding the early shells, because you can't buy the panels. They don't make them anymore, so you've got to cut them out of an existing shell, which is what we need to complete our Mark I conversion shell. Anyway, yes, so we'll tidy them up, and then we'll start preparing to get them cut out of the Mark I conversion shell, and get them fitted in. Crack on. Wow. Well then, we're getting there. So that's that little cross member section sorted. I wanted to get that fitted in and welded in just to put the extra bit of strength into the body before we start cutting the cant rails out of the Mk1 shell. So I think it's really important to make the shell as strong as it possibly can be before we start taking out those cant rails on the top. And as I said, we'll probably put a little bit extra bracing in when we take the cant rails out. We'll cut them out to put Mk1 cant rails back in again. But that's that little section done. So unfortunately, my dad hasn't been with us while I've been doing that. We're not exactly running on all cylinders. There's something going around, I think, in the minute. But so I think we're a little bit behind compared to where we thought we were going to be. We said obviously we're going to have a go putting the cant rails in, or at least cutting them out. And also we still haven't showed you our new toy, which we want to do. So rather than missing a video this weekend, I just wanted to give you something to entertain you a little bit, at least anyway. So there's a little bit, just a sort of a little bit of update as to how far we're on at the minute with it. So as we've got those two cant rails out, I think that's fantastic. There they are both there. Both cant rails ready to go in. So we'll be getting those in very soon. So hopefully on the next one, everything will be ready to start cutting the cant rails out. And start putting them in, which is going to be really interesting to see how they fit in. I've had a little try up, and it seems as though everything's going to fit nicely. But yeah, so anyway, like I say, apologies not for not getting as much done as we thought we might have done in this one. But hopefully, like I say, my dad will be with us back again on the next one. We'll crack on and get loads done. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Thanks very, very much for all the comments. Love all the comments. Keep sending the comments. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, and giving us the advice, giving us tips and hints of what we're doing right and wrong. But yeah, love them. My dad absolutely loves the comments. Always saying he loves reading through them. Dead motivating. Brilliant. But yeah, huge thanks for them. And don't forget, hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that thumbs up button. It helps us out so much by doing that. So really appreciate that. But anyway, I think that's going to be it for this one. So we shall see you on the next one. Take care.